Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by granting permissions. The app needs microphone and motion access to detect sleep accurately. Then, set a realistic sleep window. Pick your target sleep time and awake window around it. Once done, enable the smart alarm and choose a pre-wake window from 5 to 30 minutes so the alarm detects light sleep and wakes you gently. This ensures the algorithm has data to find your optimal wake point, rather than jarring you out of deep sleep. Now you'll optimize how the app records. Place your phone on the bedside, screen down, and avoid vibration. This gives cleaner motion data. Make sure dark mode, low power, and do not disturb are active so notifications don't interrupt recordings. If you notice false movement or incorrect phases, open sensitivity settings and calibrate. Reduce microphone sensitivity for noisy rooms or increase motion sensitivity if you're restless. Doing this improves sleep stage estimates and helps the smart alarm choose the best wake moment. Finish by reviewing your sleep graphs each morning and note trends like consistent wake times or fragmented sleep. Use those insights to refine your sleep goal, adjust bedtime routines, or tweak sensitivity settings for better detection. If the smart alarm doesn't sound, first restart the app and phone, then verify permissions and alarm volume. Make sure Do Not Disturb allows alarms. Finally, keep the app and OS updated. These steps solve most issues and ensure the system keeps improving its estimates and wake timing for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.